with another unboxing video. This time we have IZ*ONE's Japanese debut album. I got Type A, WIZON version and Eunbi version. First we'll take a look at Type A. Okay, I bought an unsealed one because I opted for internal trading, and yeah, because I wanted the Eunbi photo, which is this one, and the guy gave it to me. It's really nice. Okay, nothing much. This is the front cover. Oh, this is nice. We have their names here. This is the side, and the back we have the track list here. Okay, take a look inside. Then this is a CD. We have Type A, and then we have another. Oops, what's this? I think this is some event thing, is it? Not sure. Then here we got DVD. Okay, I'm gonna watch it later. Then here, wow, what's this? Yeah, this is the event thing, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is the booklet, the lyrics booklet. And we have the photos here. Yeah, that's all. This is the WIZON version. I got Haewon. This is Haewon's photo. She's very pretty too. Okay, amazing. Okay, let's unseal this. Oops, this shit fell off. Okay, I saw nothing. Okay, this is the front, the side, and the back. Oh my god, you can see me. And then we got the track list here. Ho, let's open this. Oh, this looks like the Type A DVD design. Gosh. Okay, then this is this is nice. Oh my god, this is nice. Okay, let's take a look. It's probably just the lyrics booklet. Ta-da! Nothing much. This is nice. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, that's all for this WIZON version. Now we got the Eunbi individual version. Oh, there, so it's gonna be a bit easier to open. Wow, very hard to open it. Okay, I got it. This thing keeps dropping out. Let's throw this away. Okay, this is the front, and the side we have a name, and the back we got the track list, and we have a beautiful face. Okay, this is the side, so same thing. It's nice. Oh my god, Eunbi's version. Wow, wait, why is this so weird? It feels weird. Okay, never mind. The booklet, right? Wow, look at this. Ooh, amazing. And same thing, lyrics booklet. Don't know Japanese, so yeah. Can't go in. Okay. So yeah, and then this is the photo that comes with this Eunbi version album. Show it to you. She's very pretty. Look. Okay. Yep, that's all for today. Oh, and I got something too. I got this. Ta-da! It's the IZ*ONE debut Showcon postcard. Look, this signature and IZ*ONE at the back. I got some dance. Fuck. Okay. Bye.